Hello dears, welcome back to Miya's Spice World. Today we will be making a very simple but healthy stir fry recipe with amaranth leaves. This is also called Keerai Poriyal in Tamil or Cheera in Malayalam. I always try to include greens in our daily diet in some form or the other, either as dal palak or as poriyal or just as a salad. But this recipe is the simplest and favorite of all. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. So now let's get started. Here I have taken one large bunch of amaranth leaves. Leaves should be fresh and tender. Usually I make poriyal on the very same day that I buy it. For cleaning the leaves, you just need to remove the thick stems and can use rest of it. Now soak the leaves in salt water for around 10 minutes. Rinse it in clean water for couple of times. Drain the water completely and check for any weeds or unwanted things. Chop them finely and keep them aside. Never wash the leaves after chopping them. Take a kadai and heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. To this, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and allow them to splutter. Then add 1 teaspoon of split urad dal followed by 2 to 3 whole red chillies. Here I have added 3 cloves of crushed whole garlic and 2 slit green chillies. If you want, you can avoid using garlic, but I personally like the punch of garlic. Now add 1 chopped onion and give it a quick stir. Add a pinch of turmeric to the onions. Now it's time to add our chopped amaranth leaves and mix them thoroughly. Keep the flame to the minimum and cover and cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. Open the lid and increase the flame to medium-high. Add a little salt and give it a quick stir. You should never overcook the leaves as it will get soggy and also lose its nutrients. Now comes the final hero of our poriyal. Add 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Give it a quick stir and switch off the flame immediately. This is purely an optional step, but adding them takes the poriyal to the next level. Our tasty and healthy Keerai Poriyal is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. This will keep us motivated to bring more such video. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.